Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change username on Facebook app. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, you have to click on the menu that is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your menu, you have to click on the settings icon. In your settings and privacy, you have to click on see more in account center. Now tap on profiles. Now from here, you have to select your Facebook profile. Then click on username. So now as you can see, you can very easily use this feature to change your username in Facebook. One thing that you should keep in mind that if your Instagram account is linked to your Facebook, doing this will also change your username on Instagram. So that's how you change your username on Facebook application. So everyone, that's all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.